Why the force needed to start a cart is somewhat greater than the force needed to keep it moving with uniform speed. Let us try to know the answer of this question. Number 1. Force applied to overcome friction is always greater than sliding or rolling friction. Here friction means static friction. We know when an object is at rest it have static friction. So whenever we want to start a cart it has got a static friction and we have to apply more force to break the static friction so that it starts rolling or sliding. So starting a cart is very tough than making it sliding or rolling. Thank you for watching the video.